In this tutorial, we're gonna take a look at how you can easily crop your videos for TikTok or other social media platforms using a simple browser-based video editor called Flixier. You won't need to download or install any software in order to do this. Just look up Flixier on Google or follow the link in the video description and then click on Start Editing. The first thing you'll have to do is upload your video. You can drag it over from your computer, scan a QR code, or transfer it directly from your phone, or bring it over from any of the cloud storage services listed here on the screen. After the video shows up in your library, you can begin by dragging it over to the canvas in the middle of the screen. If you're just looking to crop a video for social media, the easiest way to do it would be to click this button on the left side. This will always display the current aspect ratio of your video, so in our case, because we're working with a landscape video, it says 16:9. Once you click on it, you'll be able to choose a new aspect ratio for your video. Hovering over each one will give you a quick preview of what each aspect ratio looks like. Let's say we want to crop this video into a YouTube short. I'm gonna choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, and you can see that Flixier has changed the size of the canvas from landscape to vertical. Now we can click on the video to select it and use the handles on the side to adjust it until everything looks perfect and our video is perfectly cropped. If you're a little more advanced and want to crop a video to a specific resolution, you can also do that. Just click on the empty space next to the canvas and type your resolution in here. Lastly, you can also crop your videos with Flixier by selecting them on the timeline, scrolling down to the crop section in the right side menu and using the sliders to adjust the crop. However, you need to keep in mind that doing this can leave empty black bars behind your video, so this method is only recommended if you're working on a picture-in-picture project with multiple layers of videos or images overlaid on top of each other. Once your video is cropped, click the export button in the top right corner to save it to your computer. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, happy editing!